Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'll be taking you through the 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. We'll start up here in the bow. So move forward to the bow. You'll notice great U-shaped seating for entertaining. You can remove the cushions as well and use this as a casting platform. We have a windlass anchor on this one. Heading over to port. Coming back down toward the helm station. Dual helm seats with flip down armrests. Mercury vessel view. Back here you have your live well. Cockpit area, transom seating. This particular 250 is outfitted with twin Mercury 225 horsepower. Those are the new versions. If you'd like to take a closer look at this model or any of our other boats that we offer here at MarineMax in Clearwater, you can call me at 727-536-BOAT, or you can reach me on my personal cell phone, area code 803-760-0609. Once again, this has been Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater. Thank you for joining me.